Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. This video is going to be very helpful for you if you wanted to give the exam for SAP certification. As you might already aware, the SAP has recently changed its exam pattern. Previously, it was MCQ based exam, but now it is scenario based or system based exam. So in this video, I am going to show you the exact process of taking this exam based on my experience, as I have already given the system based exam for one of the certification. So stay till the end of this video and let's get started. Now let's first talk about the system based assessment. So here in this exam, you will get a virtual system access and you have to perform the task given to you within a specific time. Usually it will be 3 hours. Now here is the interesting thing. This assessment is non-proctored, means no one will watching you while taking this exam. And the more interesting thing is you will have 24 hours of time after getting the task. So you can understand those tasks and prepare yourself for doing those tasks in the system. And finally, once you access the system, you will get 3 hours of time to perform those tasks. And once you complete the assessment, you will get your result within 15 minutes. Alright, now I will show you the step-by-step process for taking this system-based exam. So, I'm going to give assessment for this certification, which is SAPBW for HANA Delta. Now, go to certification exam, then it will redirect you to this page. So, go through this instruction, then click on continue button. Since I have already scheduled my exam, so I am getting this note that I am ready to start my exam. If you have not scheduled, then you will get scheduling option here. Now here you can find which types of exam you need to take for this certification. So here you can see it is system based assessment. Also, please read this instruction before starting the exam. And here you can also see how many attempts are left. Now check this checkbox and click on Start Certification Exam. So once you click on this button, your exam timer of 24 hours will start, as you can see on this pop-up screen. So click on Start Exam. Now here you can see the timer has started. Now you need to click on this system-based assessment. So click on that. Now here you can see your group number. You need to remember this as it required throughout the assessment, like for login and to follow naming convention. Now here you can see there are 3 steps. First step is nothing but the instruction, like don't use any practice system while giving the assessment, and the timing of the assessment will start once you click on the access system. Now at step 2 you can see there is one PDF file. So this is the file that contains the tasks that you need to perform. So download it and read all the tasks carefully. So once you understand your task and ready for performing those tasks in the system, get back to this page and click on Access System. So once you click on this button, your 3 hours timer starts. So be fully prepared about the task to be performed. Then only click on this button. Here you can see my system gets open. Now go to your tasks PDF and do all the tasks mentioned there one by one. So let me show you some example tasks in the PDF. So here you can see there are 5 tasks given here. Out of these 5 tasks, 3 tasks is only the instructions to keep your system ready for the main task, which are given in task 4 and 5. Now let me show you how to log in the system. So scroll down and here you can see the user ID and password is given. So the user ID is student and hash hash. So in place of hash hash, we need to put your group number that you will get from the initial screen when you started this exam. So here you can see your group number. Now let's log in. So my user ID become student 13, since 13 is my group number. Then type your password, and once you logged in, perform your task as mentioned in the PDF. So for my exam, I need to perform the task in HANA Studio. So let me show you that as well. So before opening HANA Studio, first check the version of the HANA Studio in the PDF, as you have to use the same version as mentioned in the PDF. So let's check that. So here you can see the version, it is 2.3.78. So this version of HANA Studio you have to use. So let me open this version of HANA Studio. You can also pin it to the taskbar. And once it is open, click on File, then New Project, then select Business Warehouse, then click on BW project and then Next button. And here you need to select your system. So in my case it is CIA, and then type your credentials as given in the PDF. Once you logged in, you can start doing your task. I cannot show you the exact task due to exam confidentiality, but I can tell you it is not very difficult. It is based on the daily tasks that you do in your project, but you need to do this carefully. Read and follow each instruction given in the document and strictly adhere to the naming convention mentioned in the document. Once you completed all your tasks, go back to the same exam page and click on Confirm Completion. Then it will be submitted, and within 15 minutes you will get your result. So as you can see, I have passed the exam. And that's all about the system based exam. Now let's talk about the scenario based exam. So this exam is more like an interview by an AI model. It will ask you scenario based questions and you have to give the answer by keeping the camera on, just like an interview. But here is the most interesting thing. It is completely open book exam. So when AI asks you any question, you can pause the recording and think about the answer, or you can take help of the internet or any books or any resources you want. And once you are ready, you can unpause the recording and give your answer. But keep this in mind, the exam timer will not stop. So you have to complete the exam within the timeline, and the timeline will be 2 hours. And another interesting thing is you can attempt this exam as many times as you want within this timeline. Like if you answered all the questions and submitted, and unfortunately if you failed, then you can retake this exam if you still have time left from 2 hours of time. So that's one of the interesting thing about this exam. Since I have not taken this exam, scenario based exam personally, so I cannot show you, but this is the process for taking this exam as mentioned in the SAP website. You can also go and watch there in the Learning Hub portal. So that's all for today video. I hope you like this video, and if you like it, to like and subscribe my channel if you have not subscribed it yet, and help me creating more such video for you. So thank you for watching this video and see you in the next video.